And I have a Kroger branded water right here, but you can use Deer Park, Aquafina, um, Dasani, Members Mark, whatever water is available. Hi, this is John Hampton of Rhode Island Television, and I got my good pal with me. This is Thankful Thomas, or Tom Tom as we call him shorthand. So, a lot of months we'll be bringing you a recipe, but this month, being it's Heart Health Month, February 2024, we thought we'd do something that would speak to your heart health. And one of the things you need to do for your health is drink plenty of water. And I have a Kroger branded water right here, but you can use Deer Park, Aquafina, um, Dasani, Members Mark, whatever water is available where you shop. All the bottled waters is purified. Um, just don't use distilled water. Distilled water is not for drinking. That's more for using in like a sleep machine or something like that. I should know I have sleep apnea. But people say, okay, we're supposed to drink 8 of these 8 ounce glasses a day. There's 2 of them in a bottle. There's 16 ounces in each of these bottles. So that's 2 8 ounce glasses of water. So the question exists is, how do you want to, how do we drink that much water and it tastes good? Well, you can get these little packs for a little bit of nothing. I mean, the dollar store has them for maybe $1.25 a pack. There's six little envelopes in each pack, and you can get name branded ones like Crush, or Canada Dry, or Snapple, that are representative of like soda brands, or brands that are representative of drink mix like Sunkist. So I can get this where you can see it. Probably holding it upside down. I usually am. True Lemon's another one that has different branded Weiler's Light. They also have Kool-Aid and stuff like that too. And then you have your store branded ones like this is a greater value. You can find that at Walmart, of course. This is one of the Aldi ones. And then you even have some that are specialty. Like this one right here is a hydration one that gives you extra hydration. This one right here is also a hydration. Gives you extra hydration. And then they even have some for energy, like this one right here. What I'm using today, I'm putting my bottle of water, is one of the Aldi ones I have. My favorite of the Aldi branded ones. It's called Berry Blue. So you can see it says Berry Blue. So the premise is you can tear off the top, like so, and pour it in your bottle. Now, I'm going to tell you, occasionally you'll find one that don't tear well. I've had that happen to me. If you have a pack of scissors, if you have a pair of scissors, I meant to say not a pack of scissors. If you have a pair of scissors, you can always snip off the top when that happens. So you just pour this in your water. You see it in the top of the water here. Put the lid back on so you don't lose the lid like I just did. So right now, I'm going to make sure this seal's good. You'll see why in a minute if I put the lid back on. So now, lid's on. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your water. I know. Lame, but hey, it works. Anyways, Keep shaking for about a minute because it's very thoroughly stirred. And you can see I'm shaking it very vigorously here. Alright, so now it's pretty good and stirred up. Berry blue. Now, of course, I could have used any of those varieties of water packets, and it would have had the same effect. In fact, you can see I keep a whole bag of these usually hanging around, all the different kinds. Have a little bit of everything in there. And just for the record, I do drink regular water too. But that's the way to get more bang for your buck with your water is get these little inexpensive flavor packets and put in your water. And I think you'll agree with me that it's really good and it's really healthy. Most of these packets are like 5-10 calories. I mean, the average soda, 160 to 200 calories. So you're getting a good flavor. You're not getting the calories. You're not getting the caffeine in most cases, unless you're using one of the energy ones. Yeah, for the most part, a whole lot healthier than soda, and you're getting your water for the day. If you have a favorite brand or favorite flavor, tell me in the comments. That way I know what you're drinking in your water. If it's something I haven't heard of yet, I have to go and try it. We might even do a taste test of some of them here someday. We get enough entries in. In the meantime, this is John Hampton from Ryland Television. Have a good day and God bless.